Yeah, you want to watch this to the very end? Don't click off. Watch to the very end. Let's go. Hey there, welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. Welcome to another design tutorial with your boy David. Yes, this is my channel. I create designs for print on demand site. So if you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. If you've been watching me, I say thank you. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. So let's go check before we go straight into the design. Let's go check if we have new subscribers so that we can give them some shout out. I do this when it has been updated. I always give a shout out. So I want to say give a shout out to, as you can see, if you see your name on the screen, yes, I'm giving you a shout out. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for believing in the channel. Thanks for loving the content. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Yes, I always give shout out to all new subscribers as long as YouTube updates it for me and I check it and I see them. I'll give a shout out and I reply to every message. So make sure you leave your message. If you have any question for me, leave your comment in the video. So in this video, if you have any question for me at the end, make sure you leave it in the down in the description, down in the comment. So without wasting much of the time, we're going to go straight into today's video. So yes, I use canva.com to design my videos because you guys enjoy it the more. You guys don't like to use Photoshop for your designs because you guys have to pay excessively high for it and you have to download a software. But with Canva, it's super cheap, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you how to get 30 days free on me. So it's web based, so you just have to click on it. So let's click on canva.com. As you can see, so we're going to be using canva.com for this. Canva.com is super amazing. It's my first love. Yes, you heard me right. Canva.com is my first love when it comes to graphics design. I really enjoy the platform. It's super easy to use, drag and drop, does not waste time. So click on create a design, custom dimension. Yes, someone was asking me that he was not able to use the standard, which is 4500 by 4500. This is the standard by matched by Amazon, which is the biggest print on demand platform on the planet. So this is the standard, and every other print on demand site follow this standard. So if you can upload with this, then just use whatever dimension the other site you think would ask for. Just use that to design it and let's see what happens. But this is the standard 4500 by 5400. Let's create a new design. It opens on a new tab and we are welcomed with a plain Canva where we design on. So that is the first step. So now this one is going to be more like a beer kind of shirt. So to start with, I'm just going to bring in some elements, one or two. So let's go to elements. As you know, I love to use elements. If I'm not using elements, then I'm using pictures, and I can get that from Canva. I don't need to go outside Canva to get it. So you see, search element pro. So just to show you that I'm on the pro version of Canva. That will show you how to get 1 month free on me at the end. So let's first search beer and let's see what comes up. So you see this one, you can see our pro elements. So we're going to be making use of this. So let's see if we can find something unique, something eye-catchy. So I think I like this one, but it's free, so I don't want to use a free element. Okay, I love this one. It's really cool. I love this one. It's a crazy kind of gathering. So now that we have this element, we're just going to increase it. Like so. And we can change the color if we want to. Can change the colors. You can leave it at black, but we can change the color. For me, I won't want it to be black, so I'll just change it because I want people to be able to download it on black shirts. Do you understand me? So I'll change the color from black to something else. Because I want people to be able to download in other colors. So I'll just leave it at purple. So now I'll go back to text and bring in some text. So let's see what text we can use here. Let's see what text we can use here. We can use this. We can use this. So this one, as you can see, is white. It's kind of white and I don't want it to be white, so I'll just go change the color from the beginning so that we can see it clearly. I like to bring in orange for this one. Okay, yes, orange. So for this one, Control A to highlight all the text, as you can see. So this one I'm gonna say I like what's giving me is giving me two colors. I like beer. I like beer. So I want this to be on a straight line. Okay, just like that. Then I'm going to reduce it. To make it on a straight line, I had to drag this out. So to reduce this, I'm going to move my cursor to this edge, reduce it like so. And I'll just take that in like that. Okay, so now we have that on our shirt. It says I like beer. So I'm just going to duplicate this layer. I'm just going to duplicate this layer. So now I've clicked on this layer, I've highlighted it. So I'm just going to press down on my Alt key button on my keyboard, press down my left mouse click button and just drag downwards. So now we have it like so. So now I'm going to highlight the below text, and now I'm going to do something like and maybe for, okay, there are 4 in the pictures. I'm just going to use 4 people. Okay, so you can see how cool that is looking. You can see how cool that is looking. So now it says I like beer. I like beer and maybe 4 people. So let's move it up a bit like so. As you can see, it's a very cool design. Trust me, it sells. This design itself, but make sure your design is different from mine. Make sure your design is different from mine, because if you use my exact design, trust me, you're going to get blocked out on print on demand side. They're going to delete your account, because at the time of you watching this video, I would have uploaded these designs I upload myself. So make sure you have a different design, different color, but the same concept is good. I fancy that. I enjoy that. If you use different concept, you can see so far so good. If we check our timer, we are just 7 minutes into this design. Did not take us time. But I would like to clarify something for you guys, just in case you guys don't know. At the beginning, I talked about showing you how to get Canva Pro, and you've seen the benefit of getting Canva Pro. So I'm just going to go through the benefit again. This was a Pro element which I got from Canva. So you are killing, or you're not killing. I'll just say you are just using your money wisely if you get Canva Pro for yourself. One, if you use other software, you still have to download premium images for your designs. But with Canva Pro, you have a lot of images you can choose from. You can just go to pictures to search beer, and you surely get something you can use. As you can see, if you want to use images, you definitely see images. If you want to use elements, you see elements. So just note that you can get a lot of images from Canva directly, paid and free. But I advise you always use the paid ones, because they are paid for and not so many people are using them. You understand? So there are some other paid fonts you want to get from Canva. You can use the free font. This was the free font, but you can also get free paid font from Canva. Then the very important step, if you're serious about making money from print on demand, I'll repeat it, if you're serious about making money from print on demand, please and please, you want to get Canva Pro, because you want to get rid of this white background. Because if you're using the free version of Canva Pro and you have this white background, it simply says you only be able to upload your design on white shirts, which is not advisable, because a lot of people want to buy black shirts, blue shirts, red shirts. So you get the drill. So you don't want to make your design on the white background. So I'm going to prove it to you. I'm using Canva Pro for those of you that think I'm not using it. I'm just going to click on downloads. If you're on Canva free version is going to show a golden crown. I see this one is gray, so I can click on download transparent background and click on download. I will just watch it download. It's going to prepare your downloads. As you can see, it's going to prepare your downloads. So all now is saving your downloads, as you can see. So now if you click and go to show folder where it shows the folder where it's downloaded, you definitely see it's going to come without the white background. We can open it and see for ourselves. Voila! As simple as ABC. You see it came without the white background and it's super unique, super fun, crazy cool designs. This is me showing you how to design. This is what I do on this channel. I create designs daily. If you don't see me creating design daily, expect to see a design Monday, Wednesday or Friday, but most of the time I'm going to be designing daily for you guys. So if you're interested in these concepts, if you're interested in my channel to give you design inspirations, designs that sell, designs that make you passive income from print on demand site like Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, Match by Amazon, Society 6 and so much more, make sure you click subscribe, hit the red subscribe button if you've not subscribed. If you've subscribed, make sure you share this video so that others can see it and gain from it. And with that, I'm just gonna let you go and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed. I love you all.